In this uh, August lecture video series, I welcome you all for the part 2 video of if conditionals. So in a earlier video we have seen about the two parts of a sentence. They have a word such as independent and dependent class, and already we have explained clearly about the first conditional and the second conditional, and now it's time to explore more about the third conditional. So the third conditional sentence is remembered as impossible condition. So the term impossible in the sense you can't change the outcome right now. So why it is so in the sense, just follow the sentence. If I had written my exams well, I would have passed with good score. So in this sentence we have two parts. One is if I had written my exams, and in the another part we have I would have passed it with good score. So what is the outcome currently? She didn't get good score in that exam. So to get a good score, where she is supposed to change the course, she has to write her exam in a better way to get good score. So this is how you can connect impossible. That is the third condition. It's impossible condition, which means you can't change the results of it. Okay, if you want to change the result, you have to work on the starting point itself. Another one is all about the zero conditional. So zero conditional is known as which can be used for the expressing general truths and facts actually. So for instance, in the zero conditional alone, we used to write about in zero conditionals alone, we used to write about scientific facts, general truths and all. For instance, if I say, if I oversleep, I miss my bus. So in this sentence, there is no need to use a future form of helping verbs. Instead, you can directly use the simple present tense. So what is the keyword? Hopefully you remembered it. For zero conditionals, we have present tense in both main class and dependent class, whereas in the impossible condition, there we past perfect tense along with the future perfect tense. So by this you can make a clear structure to construct a more sentence. So we'll just go for a short recap about the conditional sentence and the upcoming slides. So understanding zero conditional. So to talk about the habitual actions, to talk about scientific facts and the general truths, there you can use the zero conditional. So first conditional structures we have discussed it earlier, and the second conditional also we have seen it, and in the third conditional. So and here it is the picture of mixed conditional structure. So current consequence are mixed conditional in the sense, see, if you are very much clear about the points of points with which tense form can go with dependent class and which tense form can be used in the independent class, and you can able to easily construct a sentence of your own, and you can able to identify the type 1 sentence, type 2 sentence, type 3 sentence, or else this sentence belongs to zero and all. So like that you can make it out. So here we have the small mind map to recollect what we have seen so far. So we started with the definition of conditional sentence. So conditional sentence has two parts: dependent class, main class. Being it is a grammar topic, we are studying the topic altogether. So the basic concept to be remembered in the sense, so what is main class and what is independent class, and next thing is that if it is a type 1, that is first condition in the sense what kind of a verb forms will come. Some cases what they will do in the sense, they used to give a sentence. For instance, if I ask him dash, so you are supposed to remember, you have to use future form of your auxiliary along with the suitable verb relates with the sentence. So if I ask him, I will get a help, something like that you can construct by your own. So to make an answer, to identify the sentence solidly, we need to recollect the four types of conditional sentence and the sentence structure to be remembered it. Then only you can make a complete sentence in conditional classes. Thank you.